Okay, we're now just heading out to Nootka Sound. We're light, we're empty. Got nobody on board with me, so I can start pretty much pointing direct here as soon as I get up at the altitude and start climbing out. And this is another place we go to over here, the Red Roof Place, Nootka Sound Resort, I believe that's called. That's Ocean Bay Resort, Nootka Sound Resort are the same company. And it's a beautiful day back here in Nootka Sound, nice flat, calm water. Absolutely gorgeous, so if you want to go on a cool fishing trip, you might want to check us out on the web, nwseaplanes.com.